I probably should have brushed my hair first. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I last uploaded a video. I think it's 9 months. For all you know, I could have had a child. I didn't, but I could have. Wait, let me actually see when the last time I posted was, because I genuinely have no idea. Yeah, it was literally 9 months ago the last time I posted. For this video, all I'm going to be doing is just doing my makeup and talking. 2 things I think I'm good at. Yeah, I have nothing else to add. I'm going to start doing my makeup now. I already did my eyebrows. No one wants to see me without eyebrows, so I thought that would save everybody. I don't know what type of look I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to start and see what happens. Bring all of the brushes that I needed here, so I'm just going to make do with what I have, and hopefully it works. So, like I said, I haven't posted in 9 months on YouTube. Why? I don't have an excuse. I mean, I could have an excuse. I could make up lots of excuses. But rather than making up an excuse, I'm just gonna pretend like it didn't happen, and then, yeah. But I genuinely love doing my makeup and genuinely love making videos and editing videos, so the fact that I don't do it all the time is a little weird, but like, don't question it. But like, honestly, you could still keep up with whatever I'm doing because I'm always posting Instagram pictures and stuff like that. I do my makeup and I post pictures of it on Instagram. So like, you can definitely see me there if like you miss my face, but like I don't think anyone misses my face because like, why would you miss my face? The camera also only has a half battery, so I'm gonna try not to take 10 years like I usually do while doing my makeup. I'm gonna try to take a normal amount of time and hope my camera doesn't die, because if my camera dies then I am screwed and this video is not going to ever be finished. I found the first excuse why I haven't posted. I lost a cord for my camera so that I could plug it in. I don't know any of the technical terms. So there's excuse number 1. Excuse number 2 is I didn't have a video editing software. Where did my concealer go? That's right here. So that's my second excuse. My third excuse is I'm really lazy. And those are all the excuses I made up. Which are all true, by the way, but like, I was gonna try not to make excuses, but I'm really good at it, so. Like, if anyone cared, like I would do an update, but nobody cares. So, yeah. Too much. I'm also, oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And if you guys didn't know, I have my own makeup line called Miss Lux Cosmetics. It's very exciting for me and only me because no one else cares. So like, I'm using like some of my products to date, like my loose baking powder or setting powder or whatever you want to call it. I just use that to set my eyelids, and I'll be using it further on my face. But yeah, it's mine and it's really exciting and you guys should check it out because it's just really cool that I have my own makeup line, even though no one's buying anything from it. It's just like really cool. So I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just using my ABH Modern Renaissance palette and see what happens. Okay, I know I said no one cares about an update, but I'm gonna give it to you anyways. So, since the last time I posted a video, what has happened? I got a bunny. She's adorable. Her name is Ivy. I'll put it in a picture of her because she is literally the cutest. She is a Holland lop, so that's why her ears are lop. I don't know. I have baking powder in my hair and it won't come out. Okay, let's pretend it doesn't happen. Like, my life is not that exciting, so like I don't have a lot to say. This is probably gonna look horrible because I'm not used to filming when I'm doing makeup, so if it looks bad, let's just blame it on the fact because I'm filming it. Sounds like a plan to me. Oh yes, look at that orange. So anyways, like I was saying, I genuinely love doing makeup and all that. Like, I do my makeup all the time, I just haven't made a video, which I also do really like. So again, back to my 3 excuses. Okay, we're looking good, but like, I'm always looking good, let's be honest. Is that too conceited to say? I mean, I think I'm pretty. My mom thinks I'm pretty. It only matters what my mom says, and my mom says I'm pretty, so I'm pretty. Ooh, gold. This is like, I'm not used to doing stuff like this. Like, I'm used to doing like crazy looks. I call them crazy looks. They're not so crazy in comparison to people like Meg Drew, which is like one of my favorite beauty people ever. But for me, they're definitely crazy. Like, they're not like necessarily wearable or anything like that, but like, I love the art of makeup. I love how you get to be creative, and it's literally like painting. You're just painting your face. I add like a lot of concealer because I don't use foundation. I don't remember how to film videos, but whatever. Like, I'm also pretty sure my Barbie shirt has a stain on it somewhere. Okay, we're gonna use Miss Luxe Cosmetics baking powder. Oh my god, I thought I was holding that upside down for a second. Yeah, we gon' bake, baby. Okay, on like another note, I feel like I'm talking with an accent. Maybe I'm talking with an accent, I don't know. I recommend like literally everybody to watch the show on Netflix, A Series of Unfortunate Events. It is literally the best made show I think I've ever seen. I don't think it has been given enough credit for how amazing the show is. It's just such a well done show, and it obviously has Neil Patrick Harris, and I feel like everyone loves Neil Patrick Harris. It's an amazing show that I feel like literally everybody should see. It's just so well done. Like, I don't know. Just watch it. Tell me what you think, because it's literally my favorite show that I would watch like 7 times over. So I'm gonna let myself bake for a second. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Okay, so I've been baking for a while, and I'm just gonna brush it away, the excess. Okay, so I think I got all the powder off. I don't know. I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see anything. I'm going to do under my lash line now, just add some of those colors. There we go. It kind of balances it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to put on some mascara. Before I didn't post for 9 months, I what's it called? I did film another video, but I just never got around to posting it or editing it or anything. So like, I will still, maybe I should probably still edit it and put it up, because it was applying individual false lashes, and I feel like that's helpful. I don't know. And I didn't bring my highlighting brush, so what am I gonna do? I'm literally not going to get it, so I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm using a Miss Luxe Cosmetics highlight in Aurora. So I'm just gonna apply that. Ooh, look at that glow. Yeah, I feel like I need to have like a really bold lip since this look is so neutral, but I only brought a neutral lip up, but I also brought this up, so I'm gonna use this. This is a thing from Revlon. It's for eye art, but there's a lot of alcohol in this. I can feel it in my very chapped lips. Ah. I love me some dark lips, or bold lips, or whatever. The other side has like sparkles on it, and sparkles are my favorite color, so I should probably put some sparkles on it. So that's the look. I don't know. This is like kind of like a basic look for me. That is like my everyday makeup look. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and me talking about nothing for however many minutes this video is, because I'm talking about literally nothing important that nobody cares about, but I'm still gonna talk about it because why not? So I do hope you liked the video. You probably didn't, which is like kind of sucks, but it's like okay, like I understand. Like I don't know what's wrong with me. Like my brain is messed up. So I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed, even though you probably didn't, which we just went over, and then we circled back to here because again, I'm crazy. So make sure you like and subscribe. I am going to actually try posting regularly every Thursday. Hopefully. That is my goal. That is my 2019 goal. Stay consistent with YouTube, stay consistent with Instagram, and stay consistent with my makeup line, Miss Lux Cosmetics. So those are my this sort of goals. Oh yeah, follow all my social media. Everything is under Miss Lux, which is basically just Twitter and Instagram. Also follow Miss Lux Cosmetics on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all under Miss Lux Cosmetics. And that's all I really have to say. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. I don't know.